Hello my friend, my name is Theo. Today we will make my favorite sandwich. The first ingredient of course is the 2 slices of bread. And the second ingredient I want to use this chicken burger. For the topping I use cheese. For the vegetables, I use onion. First, you must put the slice of bread into the other plate. Put your burger, this chicken burger, to this. Okay. And I want to put this in my sandwich. I will put the onion in my sandwich. Okay, after that, put the chili ketchup to your sandwich. This is my sandwich. Oh no. Okay, wait. Okay, I will put the chili ketchup. I really like spicy because that I use too much chili ketchup in my sandwich. Okay, close your sandwich with the other slice of bread. This is my sandwich. Oh, hey. It's really delicious. Close your sandwich with the other slice of bread. Wow,